Here's what you need to know. Tomorrow, first alert weather day. It's going to be hot, and the heat and the humidity here are going to drive some thunderstorms, some of which may be severe. So it's a first alert weather day. We're going to keep you ahead of the storm and give you that first alert to what we're anticipating. And here's the list of things that we're concerned about. Hail upwards of 2 inches in diameter will be possible from a few of these storms, not all of them. We are also concerned about damaging straight line winds, and well, they've come through with the last couple of rounds of storms. Because of all the humidity that we have, locally heavy rain. In fact, oddly enough, in a drought, we could end up with some localized flash flooding events, and we'll keep our eyes on that as these storms move from west to east through late in the day. We're talking the early to mid-afternoon hours things get started. Let's take a look first, though. Outdoors, blue skies over Fargo with those blue angels ripping through the skies, and well, just fun to see those. You don't hear that every day. As we take a look at the satellite and radar in our area, quiet conditions. Storms exiting Minneapolis off to the east, storms exiting Montana into the western Dakotas, a few of which have been severe. Now, the drought is real nasty out in the western Dakotas, and it's no fun or picnic in our neck of the woods. Any of this rain that makes its way down, beneficial, and we have rain in our forecast. Just look at the heat out west. 105 Bismarck, 100 Mobridge, and you see this bright red circle? That's where the 90s are, kissing Grand Forks and Fargo with that 90-degree searing heat. So it's going to be a hot one here. And as forecast yesterday, you folks in northwest, north central Minnesota seeing temperatures rise from the 60s and 70s right back into the mid 80s. A big change in 24 hours. As we take a look at your hour-by-hour forecast, those showers and storms out near the Montana border now make their way by 10 o'clock tonight in toward the capital city. And as we go into the evening hours, there's a chance at a couple of storms continuing to rumble through. The risk of severe overnight, not too great. And our model depicts that we could see some thunder showers with locally heavy rain making their way through the northern valley at drive time. So keep that in mind on your way to work. Hit and miss showers in the morning forecast, not the main event. And the likelihood of severe there pretty low. Temperatures near 70. It'll be more cloudy than sunny as we go through most of the day. Those places that do get the sun will heat up very quickly. Take a look at this. Cloud-free skies yielding temperatures near 90 in Carrington. Now, it's in the afternoon that we'll start to see the development of thunderstorm potential, and as we do, the earlier storms will likely have that risk for the larger hail. Heading into the drive time home, these storms will move from west to east through the northern valley first, lagging behind in the southern valley and moving into lakes country late. The later we get, say after sunset, wind will be the primary threat. I want to point out models sometimes show a huge area of rainfall, everybody getting rain, but as you know, thunderstorms impact a very small area. These areas depict where the thunderstorm chances are greatest, and that's right here down in through lakes country and exiting the valley by the 8 o'clock hour. By 10 o'clock, it's by and large out of our area. A few lingering storms, but those quickly too shall pass. Beneficial rain for some, not all. Some will get isolated hail and damaging straight line wind potential. The risk for tornadoes, by the way, not zero. We'll keep our eyes on the skies for that. Tomorrow, Fargo, cloudy skies. Can't rule out a morning sprinkle. 73, warming it up to near 90. Thunderstorm chances in Fargo increase around the dinner after and hours after that. Temperatures in the afternoon at 4 o'clock will generally be near 90 for many locations, and temperatures will yield some pretty strong thunderstorms developing around that 2 to 4 p.m. time frame and last into the late evening. This shot shared by Bruce from the Holly area. Gorgeous flowers there. Now let's focus on the after first alert weather day on Friday. We'll have 88 on Sunday, just a little bit of a cool down, but we're right back to the 90-degree heat. The best chance of any thunderstorms in the forecast appears to be Monday and again on Wednesday. Make sure you take time, download the Valley News Live weather app, search VNL weather in the App Store today. We'll keep you ahead of the storm. We post a lot on the app.
And it's great that you do. Thanks so much, Hutch.
You bet.